Good afternoon. I'm Sylvia, the Crafty Old Lady. Today I wanted to show you guys a couple of things that I got at Dollar General the other day. I was really shocked that they had these things there. And also, I didn't realize it when I got them that these are banner kits. And they're really cute. But I was going to use them for junk journaling, but the string is wrapped around here. And then each one of these pages is a piece of banner that you can hang there. The holes are punched there. And look at the cute papers. They're so cute. So that's that one. And then we have a gray one that's shaped like a triangle. And it looks like the same papers, but only in a different color. These would be cute for some kind of holiday or a party or birthday party. And we have this one. Same thing. Well, these would be really cute for a birthday party, but I'm probably not going to use them for that. I'm probably going to just maybe cut the circles off and just use them on pages in my journals. And then they had these tags, which I've already looked at. And it's not just the brown. We've got white. And these are like, I would say, not cardstock, but not paper either. I don't know. It's kind of like a thick paper. So we have 5 of those. And then we have apparently maybe 5 whites. Oh, there's 6 whites. 5 of those brown ones. And let's see. It says there's 16 in the package. Is there 16? Yes, alright. I didn't count them when I looked before, and I didn't think there was 16, but there is, right? There's 5 and 6. What's 5 and 12 is 17, isn't it? I guess we got an extra one. There's supposed to be 16, but we got 17. And then we've got these cute little cards and envelopes, and it says there's 8. So I have not opened this one, but I'm guessing there's 8 cards and 8 envelopes, and the cards are just these simple little, these are much thicker than these. These really are almost like paper, and these is like cardboard. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Whoop. There's 5, 6, 7, 8. And then 8 envelopes should be here. Yep, 8 envelopes. So that's nice. I like those a lot, and I was really shocked to see them at Dollar General. And they were only a couple of dollars each. So I thought that was a pretty good deal. Anyways, they have some really cute, what I would call journaling stuff at Dollar General. They have nice paper pads too, but I've already had all the ones that were there. So thanks so much for watching. And I know this was a quick video. I'm sure you won't mind that it's a quick video. And stay tuned next time, because I'm going to go through these pages that I've taken out of a Women's Day magazine from a couple of years ago, 2021, March 2021, and show you what I'm picking to keep for glue booking. Alright, we'll see you then. Bye-bye.